Okay, so let's have a look. Coordinating conjunctions. So we use conjunctions to link sentences and clauses together. They help to coordinate the conjunctions help to coordinate the clauses. And there it is. And is the most common one. It is used to help the sentence read and flow smoother. Fewer full stops, less breaks. Just one sentence to say everything. Most common, nicer flow. So we could say a hat, a book. Makes sense. A pen, a board. Okay, works. But then let's go one step further. A hat and book. I have a hat and book. Makes sense. If we just say hat, a hat, full stop, a book, full stop, stop, go. A hat and book. One sentence, clear, very straightforward. Less grammatical instructions, full stop, having to stop and catch a breath and breathe and say again. Just a hat and a book. A hat, a book. Works, but a little basic. A hat and a book. So we could then say, I have a hat and a book. I have a hat and book. Get rid of the A. Just need one. I have a hat and book. It's implied, a book. I have a pen and whiteboard. I'm going to the gym and biking. ... on the weekend. I want to go to the gym and biking tomorrow. ... on the weekend. ... I need to clean and care for house, carpet, car, myself, people, I don't know, business. I need to go to the gym and clean. Makes sense. I need a hat and to care for myself when I go biking. A hat and care for myself. So, when we use a list of things, 2 plus, then we use a comma. Here actually, a comma. But we use and before the last thing in the list. So we could say, I have a hat, book, and computer. Okay, let's break it down. Hat, comma, book, and computer. See, it's 3 things. It's 3 things. Hat, book, computer. If we had 4 things, I have a hat, comma, book, comma, door, comma, house, and before the last one, computer. Now some people say you should put a comma before the and. Some people say that it's more grammatically clear for all sorts of reasons, all sorts of subjective reasons. Okay, I say no comma there, simply and, because I was taught no comma there, and I don't think it looks nice grammatically. In terms of the sentence, like this, the wording doesn't look beautiful with the comma there, and I think it muddles. I think it makes things unnecessarily complicated with the comma there. So we use a comma between all of them, apart from before the last one. Hat, comma, book, and computer. I am going to go to the gym, biking, and walking. Okay. Yes. So conjunctions. They help coordinate clauses, and the most common one is and. They help the sentence read and go much more smoother, and the flow is nicer. A hat, a book, a hat and book. Nice. And we use a comma when we're making lists of things. I have a hat, comma, book, comma, computer, comma, door, comma, whiteboard, comma, and a pen. And goes before the last one in the list. Otherwise we're using commas all the way. How cool is that? Let's keep going.